How to set up Bixby on your Samsung Galaxy S25 series. If you'd like to set up Bixby on your Galaxy S25 series, it's very simple for us to do so. But before we get started, make sure to leave a like, hit the subscribe button, and without any further ado or delay, let's get started with today's video. If you want to set up Bixby on Samsung Galaxy devices, it is very simple to do so. Now, sometimes Bixby will get disabled by default, so to enable it, open up settings on your Galaxy device, tap on the search bar that you can find there, and just type in Bixby. Once you do that, under advanced features, you'll find Bixby, so tap on it. Now, if you've not already enabled Bixby, there are different ways to enable it. For example, you can have the Bixby AI wake up by voice. So you can turn on voice wake up and say phrases like "Hi Bixby" or "Bixby," and it will respond to your voices. So you can enable that. After that, you can choose a language and voice style for Bixby because there will be different voices to choose from, and you might need to download other voices if you're willing to try out those other voices as well. Then after you've done that, you could just come back and then you can just enable notifications and other regions and settings for Bixby. But to give you a bottom idea, this is how you can enable Bixby. I hope the video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.